Oh, cool. I think things are working. I've no idea how I sound or how rubbish it sounds. But we now have a 2D PNG model thing with its eyes permanently closed. Because so this is artwork that I got done like ages ago. I have no idea where the artist is now. So I tried drawing. I think I did a pretty good job with the mouth, but the eyes, when I tried doing them, it looked like a freak of nature. So this is the best we got, but at least I look like at least looks like someone's manning the show, which is cool. Anyway, without further ado, let's shut this up. Also, my stream looks really good today, which, yeah, that's not too bad actually. So, there's a few things that have changed since I last streamed on Twitch. Well, I mean, I did a few streams on Twitch. Done a few streams on Twitch, recently-ish. Hold on, let's just put on some music real quick. Last. Not that'll do, right. Quickly do a test. Because I have no idea. I mean, apart from the fact that I can see it on my MacBook on the side here, no idea what my stream is looking like. Or what it sounds like, to be fair. Let's see. Oh, that's really good. Oh, well. That's super good. Cool, right, no, we'll take that. We'll take that. Cool, so let's talk about the stream setup then. So, originally, so to give you a kind of idea of what I'm working with here, I use my streams now run off of a new computer. Hold on. Let me see if I can do like a new window. Let's create a new scene. And we could quickly screen capture. I think it's this one. There we go. Cool. There we go. There's my little red panda. Where's the rotate that? So sort of. But you know what? Let's not do that. Let's. This is so jank. Right. So that's me. Let's add a new screen capture of a. There we go. Under that, great, cool. So there you go. You get a web browser window. Oh my word, this is. I have not used OBS in a little while. So here is the. Also, I had issues with microphone. I'm not sure how I fixed that actually. To be honest, I just seemed to fix it now anyway. So my streams are currently running off of a handheld. Let's take a look. I'll go off the website itself. The company website. Ooh, that's looking rough. Okay. So this is my current desktop computer. And that was replacing my old machine. I mean, to be fair, solid specs. If I wonder whether to just do like a screen share. Let's change the properties of that. Entire screen. Sure. Woohoo! There we go. Right. Boom! There you go. So you can take a little look. So we are running off a GPD Win 4, as I said. Mission Center. Give you a bit of a look. We have a nice 16 threads, which I very much appreciate. 32 gigs of memory. Obviously, I have, since this is integrated graphics, we do have 8 gigs of it shared with the AMD Radeon. It's a 780M. Linux gets a bit confused about it if I run. Also, we're running Bazzite Linux. Running the fetch, it has no idea what this GPU is. Well, I think it does, but it doesn't do. Okay, so it appears in like the CPU name here, but it doesn't actually show up as the GPU. It just shows as Phoenix 3. Anyway, also new with the. Anyway, so we're on AMD graphics, which, if you don't know, they kind of suck. For basically. Oh, that's cool. AMD GPUs suck. Anyway, so that's the kind of main takeaway there. I need like a just chatting thing. AMD GPUs suck for hardware encoding, and so I kind of knew that going into this anyway, but I was like, it'll be fine. I'm not doing any game streaming anyway, so that'll be fine. Little did I and then I had OBS Studio installed as a Flatpak because Bazzite is immutable, so I can't install a Linux package like. Well, okay, we'll get to that. Installed as a Flatpak, and it had very few encoding options, considering what this integrated GPU can actually do. I think it could do AV1 encoding, do HEVC, H.265, etc. For reasons that I cannot quite fathom, Flatpak did not support most of that, and the H.264 encoder that it did let me use sucked, like really badly. So that's a bunch of fun. So I tried that for a bit, but I had some issues with it just looking like crap, regardless of what I did. And my GPU also ran much hotter as well. Usually run about like 50%. It's currently like 30, which, you know, is pretty decent. So anyway, I decided, you know what, I'll do it differently. So I uninstalled it on Flatpak and installed it through my Arch Linux DistroBox container, which sort of show you that. So all of this terminal basically. So obviously Bazzite is built on Fedora Linux, but we are running this off of. But basically my entire user space is in this DistroBox container running Arch Linux, because Arch Linux is awesome. It's also, DistroBox is great, has great integration, that kind of thing. So, as a little change of pace, I was like, you know what, I'll install in this Arch Linux container, and that has proven to be loads better. It does have support for AV1 encoding, not that Twitch supports that, but it is what it is. The lots of different little nuances. Anyway, So I saw on YouTube as I was getting AV1 and HVC H265 encoding, and it does look very good. Anyway, so for this stream I was like, you know what? I'll try Twitch again since we have better encoding options, and it seems to use the encoder quite a bit better than it did on ABS and Flatpak. We'll try H264, but through Archlinux DistroBox, which does seem to work actually really well. As far as I can tell, this, I'm looking at this on my MacBook. Let's switch to the source. It looks very good, actually. It's not terrible. So you know what, we'll take that. I mean, I feel like obviously if you were watching this sort of like, if you were watching this live, I think you'd probably not like it. Look at what it looks like. Yeah, it's not that bad. So, that's kind of the story of how we got here. And of course, I've created this little PNG tuber model thing. Basically just drew a mouth. Which, you know, it works. It's a system. So anyway, today anyway, this is all a big rant, basically going on to why I haven't streamed on Twitch. It's because it was a pain, but we've got it working to a degree where I'm happy with it. So, without further ado, I think we can actually, where's my, oh, ZZ Effects just died. I don't think so. Yeah, it's running. Oh, I can just mute it. That's cool. Anyway, so we can turn that off for now. Of course, our main thing is live coding. That's kind of our. Oh wait, no. Oops, I've messed it up. It now thinks there's 2 viewers. Anyway, so our main thing is live coding. Which, by the way, cool stuff I've done. I can't really show this on stream. Because I haven't got capture hardware and stuff, but I've now been able to get my MacBook and my GPD Win 4 computer to talk to each other over the network, which is pretty cool. So I give you, I can't really, it's really hard to demo that. So I can send, it's kind of annoying because I wanted it originally to just be Ableton running on my MacBook and then Sonic Pi running on the GPD Win. Unfortunately, for reasons that I can't quite fathom, this particular machine my MacBook Air just refuses to talk to anything over the network. So that's a bit of a problem. That I don't know whether I can solve. I imagine it's probably something to do with the fact it's university deployed. I bet they've done some goofy firewall bullshit on it, which is annoying. But well. Well, anyway, my workaround is OSC does work, so I can run Ableton Link between an instance of Sonic Pi running on the MacBook and Ableton Live running on the MacBook, and then use Sonic Pi to send OSC messages over the network through my gigabit network switch to this machine. That's why you can kind of sync it nicely and it works well. Anyway, so we'll probably do more stuff with that. Until then, you kind of have to sit tight. Yeah, loads of cool little things. Anyway, so what I actually really want to do, so I know I've just brought up all this live coding stuff, but I actually don't want to do any of that. What we're going to do today is, I'm going to turn this to live performance. I could probably add a. Is browser source available on here? It's not anymore. They've removed it. That's what I do hate about the Arch, is that they don't provide that. That does annoy me. Okay, fine. You win. Live performance. No, sure. We'll do it this way. What? Just turn itself off. Okay, so I have a bit of a job to do today. So this is my website. Well, not that is my website. If I quickly get to a terminal and do dev. Quickly do that. Zen browser, wrong Zen browser. That one. Go with that one. Let's head to this. So this is my current website, and this is the same one that is live at maroonhack.uk. Now we have a bit of an unfortunate problem, which is Tailwind, which is a UI framework that I'm using on this particular website of mine. Received a very large update to Tailwind. Let's just take a look. I think it's Tailwind 4. Let's take a look gander here. Why is that guy shaking so much? I don't want him to shake. What on? Whoa! Wow! It's going to really shake. Where are you going? I kind of don't want him to do that though. Could we not move? I guess not. Okay, go. No, that sucks. Anyway. So, if we go into docs. So, our biggest issue is they've pushed a big update. I don't know what the big hoo-ha about that is. I'm used to version 3. This is what I think it's built off of at the moment. Let's go take a little look. Where is... I think it's packages.json. What version of Tailwind are we on? 3.4.3. I don't know why I just selected. Okay, so... Not that. Close enough. So this is what we're built off. And... get started with this. You'll notice that the way it works is quite different to how it works now. Setting this up with Astro, which is what we use at the moment. So they've changed the integration for that, and when I mean change it, what they've actually done is completely broken it on the Tailwind side of things. So quite big breaking changes, which I think Tailwind has updated on their side. What kind of? They've basically said, yeah, just use our jank implementation, and Astro's kind of running a bit behind. If we do Tailwind. Yeah, so it kind of sucks. Yeah, it sucks a little bit. So, I think we're due a bit of a rewrite, in my personal opinion. So, that's kind of what we need to do. We need to basically grab So when I say a rewrite, I actually don't know whether I want to rewrite this completely or just sort of move it to something a bit different. Because I don't mind too much how it looks. I think it's an okay looking web page. I mean, it's not amazing, and there's one blog post that exists. I've done a terrible job of keeping it with it. It is fine, right? I'd rather keep it somewhat the way it is, but at the same time, you can always make things better, and it is a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit outdated in some ways as well. For example, I'm no longer 18, I'm 19 now, so that's a thing. So I need to look at a rewrite. I don't know what to do. There is obviously Nuxt, which I've kept a little bit of an eye on. However, I want to look at Svelte. Which, I mean, I've used before. I once built a web app for a specific company. It was like a map, and some of the components were written in Svelte. I remember that. And it was pretty nice, generally speaking. But, there's a big but there. So let's fine. I haven't used this for a while, and yeah. Now, the other obvious thing we could do is we could do sort of, let's get like a text editor or something, I don't know. Text editor, why not? Do a valve here. So, web page is Astro. If that will do, it's Astro view tail Astro. If I know, do plus, because Astro plus view plus Tailwind plus Daisy line. So this is what we're currently working with. Obviously there are some downsides to this. We could go with more of an Astro, so potential options. So we could do, because I like Astro for this kind of website, Astro Svelte, and then some other UI framework. I mean, my animations, I used to rely on something called, I've forgotten for the life of me what it's called. I now use Animista just because some nice defaults, looks nice, and it's just CSS, so why not? So I think actually what I will probably do is, what I'm thinking is we actually change this to improved. I mean, I could do my own CSS, but so I'm thinking this is probably our way to go, because I could use something like Next.js or Nuxt or whatever, but it seems a bit overkill for what's essentially a I mean, it's just like, it seems extremely overkill for what I'm trying to do. Because like obviously we're not, like, I'm not running like a web store or the web page or whatever. So also I'm gonna quickly. No, not what I wanted. I'm changing the size of this. This can sort of sit comfortably here. So I'm making this smaller. There we go. So obviously we could. I don't know. It seems a bit overkill to me. But I mean, we could for sure. Showcase here. Contract sales. Like, I don't know. I mean, I've used, yeah, I don't know. I think probably maybe not next. We could do, I'm trying to think. So I'm leaning towards Astro. I think we're going to stick with Astro. So I think Astro Spelt. So, because that seems to be something that seems to fully work. So let's. The last time I tried. Also, I've had issues with my gigabit networking as well. So we'll need to do some. We're going to need to do a bit of work here. Directory MHH site, sure. Call that for now. Oh, well, they really don't. Actually, stop. Installation, here we go. Yeah, I mean, so far it's been okay. But you know what? Okay, that pulled in now. Cool. Let's go with that. Yes. Yes. This nonsense again. I don't know why this happens using my... So obviously I could just unplug it, but I think that would probably end up breaking stuff. Why does... I do not understand why this happens, actually. It does drive me up the wall. Wait, I mean, is this a button issue? Oh wow, this was actually really recently. PM receives to be retained 3 or 4 packages. To reproduce it locally, you need to claim PM caching. It tends to be a region specific issue, but currently reproducible in India. Mumbai. What is this? Okay, what is it, like a repost sword? Do a PNG install? I might have installed that actually. No, I didn't. Yeah, NPM. I don't know whether I really want to do this. NPM now. Alright. Didn't I just install that? Oh right, yeah. Right, yeah. Sorry, yeah. You're right. I did not install that. Okay, fine. But can we do bun config set? What's that? What we can do? Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, right. No, we're not trying to do that. I really am starting to get. Dino's a JS runtime, isn't it? You know what? We're gonna use that instead. Why not? Yes, I would love for you to do that. Let's... Nice! Boom, boom, we have sorted that. Huh.
.24/7 synthwave with all your favorite artists.
What's up? This is Miami Nights 1984.
This is Celerec LA Dream.
This is FM 84.
Hey everyone, this is Arcade High.
I'm Alex, aka Highway Superstar.
This is Night Ride FM.
I'm glad we went through that. Why is... Interesting. Or do I need to... Really am used to the Mac layout. Oh, it's downloading things. Yeah, I don't know what is with the... Well, Dino seems to work fine. Alright then.
It's your turn to be afraid.
Cool, everything's new. I mean, you know, can't see any problems with that. No, wrong one. Whilst waiting, give yourself something interesting to look at least. It's definitely downloading something, I can tell you that much. I can see the activity lights going brr on my Switch. I mean, okay. Oh, here we go. It's done. Where did OBS go? There. There we go. There we go. Cool, so... Okay, we're on Dino. Let's go. Okay, so I've done... Oh, did I tell it to... Did he even ask me to... Oh yeah, I did. I told it to. Yeah, good. Interesting. That's really not what I asked you to do. You know it, I know it, we all know it. Well, I did a whole lot of nothing. Okay, I mean, okay, so far this is working pretty well. Let's go here. Let's actually go. It is working. Cool. Real quick. In fact, no, we'll do the entire screen regardless, because do want you to see what I'm doing at any given point. Cool. So I guess at this point then. Did I? Oh no, is it in? So okay, fine. We'll keep it there for now. Yes, I trust the authors. We have layout, components, fantastic. So now we need to add svelte integration. Okay. Okay, looks nothing like that, but we'll display effects bar. Oh, okay. So they're doing their own thing. At this point, I think we can svelte. So I think we could do. So what's it? What's the command? Let's launch another Dino task. Astro add. Svelte? Okay, we are learning Dino. Let's go. Okay, so I mean, I'm gonna give Dino some credit here. It is working remarkably well. Not update your astro.config.js file safely. Unable to install dependencies. What if? Hear me out here. Do you know? Okay, what if we? Okay, we're gonna do this manually. Oh, right. Yeah, that's what I meant. Unless I've really... Try that. Oh, it's downloading. I wonder whether it's an issue with... Okay. Let's see. So okay. Yes, I would like you to do that. Let's actually go. Layout. I still can't read that. So I'm just gonna quickly open up my blind because it's really dark here. Nice. Cool. Alright. Let's keep going. Import. I know how long you do that in there. So there's no styles directory. What was the one of that? If we look at somebody's added it properly, so cool. Fine. UI frameworks. Astro. Let's see which ones work. Front-end frameworks. Let's take a little. Man, these are the biggest word. So we have. Oh yeah, that's true. So we have Svelte. Cool. Source components. So we can now use. Okay, let's try that. So let's grab documentation. Svelte. We'll do test.svelte. Is there a? Do we have a Svelte? We don't have it installed. Let's install our language support. There we go. Let's enable it. Let's go. Sounds like a good idea. Legacy mode. What does that mean? What some are deprecated? Recommend that. Wait, so are we like Svelte 4 or something? Like. No, it's Svelte 5. Okay. Well, that makes 0 sense, but alright, that's fine. Thanks for. Okay. Let's just put a. I mean, it's just going to be a basic thing, really. I don't really want to make a. H1. Hello there. Great. Layout. Style body. Import test from test Svelte. Of course you have to. Cool. In fact, you know what? Nice. Now let's see. Is my okay? That's. I mean, alright. Obviously, we haven't actually put. Let's stick that in here. Cool. I mean. I think to be fair, it may not work properly. We've got all this nonsense. You know what? We're not going to import it then. We're going to import it in the page. Welcome to Astro. I forgot how Astro works. Okay, that's an actual thing. Oh. Sure of TSX, JSX. Interesting. We've clearly done something wrong. That should just... I'm confused. You know what this parser source for the import analysis was the content just... Okay. I think that's all. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Fine. So I feel like... what's it called? You know what? We've won. Okay, so we have Svelte integration built in now, which is actually really cool. So we have Svelte. Just forgot to actually finish the job. To be fair, I did say it was complete and ready to go. I'm not entirely crazy. Okay. Success program works. Free code camp. See, that seems fine. Oh, I've used Bootstrap. Bootstrap's pretty cool. I'd forgotten about Bootstrap. That might be worth a look. I want to download it. Bootstrap Astro. Let's take a look. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Oh. Okay, so let's start doing some... Oh, right, yeah, I'm done. I mean, next year I'm gonna have to learn PHP as part of my degree, which is fun. All done. Okay, cool. Okay, it's added Bootstrap. Okay, now we need to... So there is a package for it, okay. Install Bootstrap. Cool, what's... Oops, yeah, you're right, sorry. Cool. Oh my word. Okay. Oh, this song. This song kind of slaps. Okay, it's not complaining. I don't like this. But I really don't like this. This is kind of horrible. Like, the thing is about Daisy Wise, it was basically this nice looking UI without too much effort. I don't know whether we should do this. This is horrible, but it would work. I'm actually thinking this is the way to go. I'm gonna do it. You know what? This is absolutely horrible. Hate it. But you know what? Do I look like I care? No, I just look like a red panda. Cool. We're just gonna do it my way. Let's see. It's not recommended for, okay, that doesn't seem to be complaining. And what's that gonna do to it? Whoa! That is very different. Let's see, shall we? So, I think we get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Go to layout.astro. That's keep forgetting, man. This is nothing. Man, I'm too used to like Mac layouts, man. That doesn't seem to have updated. Okay. So, I mean, clearly part of it's working. I mean, I wonder whether it won't work in Svelte. What I'm gonna do from now, this. Okay, so, I mean, it kind of works to like the degree that like. Why did I not spell div? Lookup dash code. Yes. We could just do that like I said. Okay, so it does work to a degree. It does work. So text dash. Yeah, so it kind of works. Let's start with. So it kinda works. I think the Daisy UI stuff is working, just not the Tailwind stuff. Which, I mean, makes sense. Alright then. No, that's fine. We can live with that. See. Oh, I think you have to do like, there's like a code tag, isn't there? Oh yeah, that's that code. Okay, so we've got somewhere. We've gotten Daisy UI to work, but not the Tailwind bit. Let's go Tailwind. I mean, I could just use an old version of Tailwind. I mean, you can realistically. You know what, let's try that. Okay. I've decided that we're not going to do it the way I said we were going to do it. Okay. Okay, so we need to remove that. We're just gonna do it manually. We're just gonna raw about it. What on earth is that? You know, install. We're just gonna do it manual. We're just gonna manually raw dog this thing. I mean, it's how I used to do it. It's how I used to do it back in the day. My word. There we go. Who needs integration in? Ooh. Why is it trying to do Oxide? Why is it trying to Darwin stuff? Unless it's just sort of like a universal Unix thing. That seems a bit confusing to me. well, what we can do is we can then do style.css. No, that's not what I'm after. That really annoys me. That annoys me. But no, that looks like a place I really don't want to go. Yeah, so it's wanting... Oh, it's like a... Just don't... Okay, well, here's the great question, is I'm on Linux. Why... Is this something I can install on Linux? Like, what the hell? There ain't no way. Okay, well, I didn't need that. It's just Windows crap. Why is it asking me to install Windows crap on a Linux machine? Thing is, I don't think it is anything to do with that. It's that it can't find the package as opposed to it's not able to read it. Which does annoy me somewhat. Well, okay, you know what? No, we could leave the stream going. Okay, well, that's fine. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go take a break. So... Cool, I'll put it there. Right, I'm gonna take a break. Have fun. I will be back shortly.
This is Dennis G, and you're listening to Night Ride FM.
Night Ride FM. The best in today's retro electro.
Right, we're back. Now let's continue this bullcrap. Unless it thinks we're on Windows, but wait, have they actually deprecated that? Hold on. No, I don't think they have. You know what? Let's just see what happens. That seems like a really smart idea. So we'll do a input.css at import tail. What am I doing? Tail in CSS. Cool. Okay. Let's see if we can't get this to work. I think it's okay, so do Dino task. Not used to this. Tailwind. CLI -I input.css -o global.css -watch. See what happens. Did we not? This is not great. Okay, hold on. I mean, do you have to be even more annoying? You know what? Fuck that one. Daisy rifle. Oh dear, there's lyrics. Oh, this is a new one. Get started, let's see. Quick start. Okay. Okay, well, you know what? We don't need Node. Who needs Node? Node is sucks. Oh, okay, that was not what I wanted to do. Let's remove that for now. Right. So I think we do is still have Tailwind installed, so that's fine. Oh, now it's really unhappy. Oh, right. Okay, fine. Let's go. Okay. Okay, fine. So we'll... That actually freaked me out. Right, well, you know what? This is probably something to sleep on for me. I'm gonna start with this. We are going to move on. Okay, cool. Well, I guess we can end off doing a bit of a live, a little live thing. Why not? It's cool. Alright, that's been running this entire time. Hold on, just change. There we go. That's a very basic. I've released that is it for this strip, so